Ready to turbocharge your mobile app development? Say hello to Lynx JS, the sleek, lightning-fast JavaScript framework built for creating next-level mobile apps. In this video, we're taking you from zero to hero. First, we'll define what makes Lynx JS awesome. Then, we'll set up Node.js, create a fresh project, prep your Android device, mirror it to your PC, and launch your app live. Plus, we'll explore the project structure to kickstart your coding adventure. By the end, you'll be building apps like a pro. First stop, setting up our toolkit. You'll need Node.js. Step 1, head to nodejs.org. Grab the LTS version that's long-term support stable and reliable. Install it like a pro. To check and confirm the successful installation of Node.js, press Window key, type terminal, and press Enter. In terminal, type node-v. You will see a version number. Boom, you're locked and loaded. Now, let's spark up a fresh Lynx JS project. We're using Yarn, the zippy package manager that gets things done. Step 2. Fire up your terminal and run. Yarn create Rspeedy. Wait to fetch packages and type your project name, then select JavaScript or TypeScript and hit Enter. Select additional tools like ESLint or Prettier by pressing space and hit Enter. In seconds, you've got a shiny new Lynx JS project. Now change the directory by typing cd and your project name and hit Enter. Now it's time to open your project on VS Code. Just type code dot and hit Enter. In VS Code, open the new terminal and type yarn install to install all packages. After completing the installation, it's time to run your first ever Lynx project in a real device. In this way, first enable developer mode on your Android device. Plug in your Android via USB. Time for the main event, launching your Lynx JS app. Jump into your project folder and type yarn run dev in terminal. You will see a QR code showing up in the terminal, but wait. We need Lynx Explorer app to run our code. To get it, just go to the official website of Lynx JS and find this QR code. Scan it and download the app. Now it's time to scan the QR code from terminal into the Lynx Explorer app. And voila, your app is alive. You're officially a Lynx JS developer.
Smash that like button, share with your crew, and subscribe for the hottest Lynx JS tips and tricks.